Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be ranking my recent Temu order. So basically we're going to be ranking the products that I purchased in that haul. I'm going to have my recent Temu haul linked down below, as well as my full face if it's up already. I actually filmed that yesterday, so all these products are like very well in my brain right now, so I really want to get this off so you guys could see what products I vibed with and what products I didn't. So if you want to see how I rank these products, 10 being the greatest, 1 being the like least, that sucked, that I'd say skip out on, just keep on watching. So at number 1, you may have guessed if you watched my full face of Temu, the first product that I say skip out on is the liquid highlight. This is supposed to be a dupe for the Pomegranate. I don't know if they have a highlight like this, but it basically looks like that kind of packaging. That's like what they were going for, but this is just super goopy and it did not want to blend out on my skin. It left my face looking patchy in the areas where I applied it. It just wasn't the greatest product. The color itself was really beautiful. In my Temu haul, I swatched it and I thought it was amazing. It's such a beautiful color. It's like a champagne-y kind of vibe. This also does come in a white gold color in a blue kind of background. I don't know how that one works, but I'd say if you see this on the site, skip out on it, and it's just not great. It's just not great. Miss Young Cheek Dew Serum Blush. So this actually doesn't have any color to it. It feels nice and cooling on the skin, very comparable to the ColourPop Cheek Dew. It was just like very nice and cooling, but it didn't leave anything behind. Gives you a slight bit of color, but it's just not even worth throwing on. That's just what this is. It's giving me vibes of the LA Colors blush. I actually like those blushes though. They leave a little more of color behind, whereas this one, it was just like okay. That's why I ranked a little higher than the last product. But I say if it's in your cart, pick a color that's more vibrant. I think also the color that I chose was just a little too nude for my skin tone. It didn't really show up. It's just not that great. There's other blushes on the site. They have a lot of liquid cream blushes on there. I say choose one of those over this one. This one was like okay, it was whatever. And number 3, we have the J Dazzler Single Highlight. So this is basically a ColourPop dupe in my opinion, and it looks like so. This was actually more on the topper side. This is a really beautiful color. I think the shade is G Dazzler. Oh, this one is in 204 and it's a stunning color. It feels nice and smooth on the eyes. I did use this in my full face of Temu and I really much enjoyed it. It's just a product that it was okay for what it was. I think it added a little bit of shimmer to the lid. It's just, that's all it did. It didn't really provide any color. This is not super pigmented. It was just like a product that I could have gone without. I think it's cute and I'm glad that I have it. It's just like, you know, it's like I could have skipped out on it and I wouldn't even realize it. If somebody came in here and stole this, I wouldn't even notice. And number 4, we have the mascara. And this one obviously ranked a little higher because it is a really nice formula. It actually did provide some volume, gave me some clumping as well. It's just a very wet kind of formula. Let me tell you what it's called. Hand Ayan Volume Mascara. So this is an alleged dupe for the Too Faced little butterfly mascara that they came out with. This is super cute. It has a hourglass shaped wand. It's just a little more on the different side. Like the top is a little longer. I actually talked about this so much already, but the wand is very interesting. It's just a little too wet for me, and you definitely have to be careful because you can get this everywhere. And if you over apply it, your lashes will be all clumped up together. So that's the only thing. I'd say this is cute if you kind of build it up a little by little and not overdo it. And also it can be messy. So that's why I ranked at what number? Number 4. A little lower. I think it's cute. I'm glad that I picked it up. I wouldn't change that fact. I would pick it up again if I could. It was cute. I'm glad that I have it. I think it's a cute little packaging. I think the price was good. So this was cute. And number 5, we have the Hudamoji Wild Jaguar palette. As I ranked it in my tryout video in my full face of Temu, this was more in the middle. So that's why I wanted to specifically put this at number 5 because the packaging is really cute. Again, alleged Huda Beauty dupe. And it does come with more smoky tones. It's really cute. I really like the size. I like that it comes with a mirror. I really like the color story. Everything about it is cute, but the reason that I ranked that number 5 is because of the actual formula. It just was a little hard to blend out, and the colors themselves weren't as dark and deep as they looked in the pan. So It was cute, it was just a little hard to work with, so that's why it ranked at 5. And number 6, we have my lip products. So I just went ahead and bundled these up. We have the lip liner from Face Secret, and this is their 24-hour waterproof long-lasting lip liner in the shade L01 Rosy Nude. I thought this was cute. It's just a little overly creamy, but when it went on the lips, it was actually really nice. So I really like the color. I liked the lip liner. This one was cute, the Vibely liquid lipstick. I got the shade Rose, ROWS, and I thought this was cute. It went really well with that lip liner. Tapping this in the center and throwing a gloss over top was really nice. It was a really nice outcome. However, if I could go back, I would pick a different color. I just feel like the color itself is just a little too orange for me. But I really like the formula, so this is really cute. And again, this one's in 101 Rose. Number 7, we have the blushes that I talked about. These were sold out when I did my haul video, but they're actually back on the site now. So these are the CDE highlighter, but these are just like highlight blushes. They're like shimmery blushes. So there's a look at the packaging. We have the shade 01 and the shade 02. Right. So 01 is the more pinky one. So cute. Just come with the mirror. And I really liked the finish that it left on the skin. This is the one that I used in my full face. 02 is the one that's more like orangey. So if you don't like a shimmery blush, I'd say stay away from these. I specifically picked these up because of the packaging and the imprint in the pan, but the actual formula blew me away. I think it looked stunning on the skin. Gave me a nice healthy kind of glow from within look. It was just really nice. So that's why it ranked at what number? At number 7. These are really good. Number 8, I had to put the lip gloss because this was just so good, so different, and I'm really glad that I threw this in my cart. So this is the color Mare Lip Glaze. This is the Water Run formula. They also have some liquid lipsticks in this type of packaging as well, which I did come across, so I may pick some up. And this one is from Pinky Focus. I'm not sure what the actual name of this one is, but I really like the packaging. It's very interesting, but the actual formula is really interesting. It doesn't look as deep as it looks in the packaging. It's actually more on the nude side. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, but it's really nice. It goes on really nice and glossy. It feels like water on the lips. It's not sticky, it's not runny. It looks really nice and shiny. It was just such an interesting formula. It felt nice and cooling, and again, it just felt like you were throwing water on your lips. So that's what I really liked about it, and that's why it ranked pretty high on this list. At number 9, we have the Classy Ultra Fine Triangle Eyebrow Pencil. This one here is in brunette, I believe, or like dark brown, I don't know, but this is an Alleged Benefit eyebrow pencil dupe, and it's really nice. It worked so well. If you want to see it in action, I did use it in my full face of Temu, and it was just really good. I think the color worked out really well for my hair, and it was just so nice, and it worked so well. It made my eyebrows look amazing, so that's why it ranked at number 9. And lastly, at number 10, the tippity top of the list had to be the foundation. It made my face look amazing, so nice and smooth. It just looks so good at the end of the video. The Padir Full Coverage Skin Long Wear Matte Finish Foundation. So this is an Alleged ColourPop dupe. I think they have like their Pretty Fresh foundation or something that looks like this. It does come with a pump. It's really nice and easy to apply. I think the color was just right for my skin tone. Blended in really nice and easy, and it was really good. So I really liked everything about it. This one here is in 2N. If I could go back, I would purchase this again. I really like it, and I know for sure when it's out of here, I'm gonna repurchase this. So this one again is in 2N. I felt like it matched my skin tone really well. I'm gonna have all the videos that I mentioned today linked down below, the haul and the full face, and I also do have another Temu haul coming to me now. So yeah, and I see Temu hauls in my future because everything's so inexpensive and they have so many great things on there. So if you enjoy this type of video, of course give this video a like, leave me a comment letting me know that you like this so I can keep making them, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.